In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to produce expressive speeches with ElevenLabs V3. So whether you're a content creator, a developer, or simply curious about getting the most out of AI-generated speech, stick around because we'll delve into the steps that can transform your audio production. First, let's begin by selecting the right model. You'll want to choose 11 V3 Alpha from the model dropdown. This selection is crucial because the V3 Alpha model is specifically designed for enhanced expressiveness and versatility, giving you a more dynamic range in your speech generation. Once you have the right model selected, it's time to choose a voice. Navigate to the best voices for V3 category. The voices in this category have been specially optimized to take full advantage of the capabilities of the V3 model, allowing your audio projects to sound more natural and emotionally resonant. Now, let's talk about increasing the expressiveness of the generated speech. Set the mode to Creative. This setting is your ticket to a more lively and nuanced speech output. The Creative setting allows the AI to better interpret the nuances and inflections that make a voice sound truly engaging. By doing this, you give the speech synthesis more flexibility in capturing the intended emotion and emphasis of your text. To gain even finer control over the vocal delivery, you can insert emotional and sound tags directly into your script. Consider using tags like whispers or laughs within square brackets to guide how the AI renders the voice. These tags work as cues, helping to precisely dictate how particular sections of your text should sound. They enrich the spoken content by ensuring that the generated voice aligns with the intended mood and tone. Another tool at your disposal is the strategic use of punctuation and capitalization. Think of these elements as tools that can add emphasis, pauses, and a variety of vocal tones to your speech. For instance, a well-placed exclamation mark can convey excitement or intensity, while ellipses can introduce a thoughtful pause, adding depth to your spoken content. Capitalization can also be used to indicate a word or phrase that requires stronger delivery, thus directing the AI to adjust its vocal emphasis accordingly. With these steps, you're now equipped to craft audio that feels both authentic and compelling. Remember, the key is experimentation. Try combining different settings, tags, and punctuation to see how they alter the final result, and you'll soon be producing expressive speech that perfectly fits your project's needs. By mastering these techniques, you'll be able to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI-generated speech. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel inspired to start crafting your very own expressive audio creations with ElevenLabs V3.